Hi everybody, this is Donna Lamour. I am doing the Kickstarter for Healing with Love Oracle deck. I am so excited. I never thought this would be possible. Last year I published a book. This year I'm doing my Oracle deck. Next year I hope to do a tarot deck. Anyway, I got my prototype in for the Oracle deck, so I thought I would share that with you guys. This is the box. I think it's beautiful. My name is very small there, but it is on there. And if you do back, there is an option for the first 40 people that choose it to have their name printed on a card. So I offered this to some other people, and a few of them took it. And here's one here, Monica. So she got her name on this card. So anyway, there are 40 more spots available. So if you would like to do that, there is an option, okay, in the reward card. So here are some of the cards. So I thought I would show you some while I talk about a couple of things. So yeah, so these are beautiful. They are there to give you hope. They're there to give you inspiration, to give you a pick-me-up. Also, I created a journal, a daily oracle journal, and that is one of the add-ons. So you can add on and grab one of these journals as well. They will all come together, okay? And then this is the cloth. So this is the reading cloth that is also one of the add-ons. It's absolutely beautiful. We want to engage in positivity. We want to engage in things that are good for us. And having these affirmation cards or oracle cards really, really helps in that. And I think if you use them on a daily basis, you can really increase your own kind of understanding of where you are and what you're doing with your life. They're absolutely gorgeous. I'm so proud of them, and I know that they will help many of us on our journey. So thank you very much, guys. Bright blessings.